In Pasadena, where the climate can shift from warm and sunny to cool and breezy, homeowners are constantly seeking ways to improve their home's comfort and energy efficiency. One of the most popular home upgrades in Pasadena today is double-pane windows. Known for their energy efficiency, durability, and ability to enhance a home's comfort, double-pane windows are quickly becoming a must-have for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs while enhancing their home's value. If you're considering an upgrade, this article will explore the reasons why Pasadena homeowners are choosing to replace their old windows with double-pane windows and the many benefits they bring. Improved energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons Pasadena homeowners are upgrading to double-pane windows is the energy efficiency they provide. With double-pane windows, you get two layers of glass separated by a layer of air or gas, such as argon, which acts as an insulator. This setup dramatically reduces the amount of heat that escapes during colder months and blocks unwanted heat from entering during the summer. Reduced heat transfer. The added insulation of double-pane windows prevents your home from losing heat during the winter and keeps it cooler in the summer, resulting in more consistent indoor temperatures year-round. This leads to lower reliance on heating and cooling systems, which can save you money on energy costs. Lower utility costs. In Pasadena, where temperatures can fluctuate, upgrading to double-pane windows can reduce your monthly utility costs. By keeping the heat where you want it, inside during winter and outside during summer, you'll see a reduction in heating and cooling expenses, which adds up over time. Enhanced comfort throughout the year. Another reason Pasadena homeowners are opting for double-pane windows is the improved comfort they offer. These windows help maintain a more consistent temperature inside your home, which is especially important in climates like Pasadena's, where temperatures can vary significantly. Consistent indoor temperature. Double-pane windows prevent drafts and reduce the likelihood of temperature fluctuations within your home. This means you won't experience cold spots near your windows in the winter or hot, stuffy air in the summer, making your home feel more comfortable year-round. Noise reduction. Another perk of double-pane windows is their ability to reduce outside noise. The extra layer of glass and insulating air or gas space between the panes helps dampen sound, creating a quieter indoor environment. Whether you live on a busy street or near a park, double-pane windows can make your home a more peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle outside. Home value. Investing in double-pane windows can also increase the value of your home. Whether you plan to sell in the near future or simply want to improve your property for the long term, double-pane windows are a highly sought-after feature by potential buyers. High return on investment, ROI. According to many home improvement studies, replacing old windows with energy-efficient models like double-pane windows offers a strong return on investment. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes that offer modern and energy-efficient upgrades, especially when it means lower utility costs and a more comfortable living environment. Attractive feature for buyers. Many prospective buyers in Pasadena are looking for homes with energy-efficient features, and double-pane windows are a clear selling point. Homes with these windows will stand out in the real estate market, which could help you sell your home more quickly and at a higher price. Durability and reduced maintenance. Double-pane windows are designed for durability, and they require much less maintenance than older, single-pane windows. Since they are built to last, homeowners can enjoy peace of mind knowing they won't need to replace or repair their windows as often. Long-lasting performance. Double-pane windows are made with high-quality materials that are resistant to moisture and temperature fluctuations, making them less likely to warp, crack, or fade over time. This makes them a great long-term investment for homeowners looking for lasting performance. Minimal maintenance. Unlike older windows that may require regular repainting, sealing, or replacing, double-pane windows are designed to require minimal upkeep. They are typically low maintenance, and many models have a long lifespan, saving homeowners time and money in maintenance and repairs. Better protection against UV rays. Another compelling reason to upgrade to double-pane windows is the added UV protection they provide. The space between the two layers of glass often includes a special coating that blocks harmful UV rays from entering your home. Protect your interiors. UV rays can cause fading and damage to your furniture, flooring, and artwork. Double-pane windows help reduce this damage by blocking a significant amount of UV radiation. This can help preserve the condition of your home's interior, making your furniture and decor last longer and reducing the need for costly replacements. Eco-friendly option. If you're looking for an eco-friendly way to reduce your home's carbon footprint, upgrading to double-pane windows is a smart choice. These windows help your home stay more energy efficient by keeping your HVAC system from working harder than necessary, which reduces the amount of energy needed to heat and cool your home. Conserve energy. By upgrading to double-pane windows, you are contributing to energy conservation. Lowering your home's energy consumption reduces the demand on power plants, ultimately leading to a reduced environmental impact. Sustainable living. Many homeowners are more environmentally conscious and seek solutions that help reduce energy use. Double-pane windows fit this demand, as they are a green choice that contributes to sustainable living practices. Conclusion. For Pasadena homeowners, upgrading to double-pane windows offers numerous benefits that enhance the comfort, energy efficiency, and value of your home. From reducing energy bills to improving indoor comfort and adding a modern touch to your home's exterior, double-pane windows are a smart investment that pays off in both the short and long term. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to improve your living space, replacing your old windows with double-pane options is a choice you won't regret. Make your home more comfortable, secure, and energy efficient today with double-pane windows.